Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. Welcome back here to another app exposure video. Alright everyone, we got a problem. We're playing Magic Dice, okay? What this is, everyone, is another app with number 1, diminishing returns. Number 2, the whole fake, if you get $777, lucky 7, you get $1,000, okay? I am so done in with my life. Now this is one of the more, I guess, pleasing to the eye scam apps out there, alright? If you read the reviews for Magic Dice, you will laugh for so long. Dude, people are furious, okay? Absolutely furious. Here we go. So I need to get 1 billion tokens of, I guess, the in-game currency to get $100. I need to get the typical 100 in-game money tokens to get $100. Yes, we know how these apps work. 100 Amazon gift cards, $100. Collect all alphabets, $100. Collect all animals, $1,000. Match to 777, $1,000. So here we go. This app is giving us everything, guys. We can literally live off this app. Why would we not live off this app, everyone? This is fantastic, dude. I cannot imagine how anyone would think this is a scam. Why would this be a scam, I wonder? Well, it could have to do with the fact that they're not paying anyone. That's probably the first step. The second thing would be, obviously, they give you diminishing returns. So what ends up happening is you win heaps at the start. We all know the routine. We all win heaps at the start. Everyone's loving life. Life is good. Then you get to the point where you can nearly cash out. And then the app starts to slow down the rewards. And then you start earning the in-game currency. Look at this, everyone. A chance. 26 alphabets. Ooh, yes. That's what I want. 26 letters of the alphabet. I'm over it. The thing is, these apps will only go and be as popular as they are because of Google. That's the only thing. They'll only be that popular because Google allows them to be with the advertisements, everyone. A map with more rewards will be unlocked after 3 rounds. Yeah, sure. Whatever. Cool. 50 cents. Okay, claim more. I want to claim more than 50 cents. Let me guess. Times 10 coming up. Big rewards. Times 5. That's right. We'll take that. We'll take that, everyone. $2.50. Alright, so we're already up to $13.50. We need $100 to cash out. Just remember that. Here we go. Big win. Big win. Come on. $2, baby. Oh, yeah. Claim more. Watch an ad. No. I'm going to try and avoid watching any advertisements on this video. Let's see if I can get away with it. Let's see if the app will literally force me to do an advertisement. Nope. I'm claiming $1.50. Just going to keep playing here. I'm trying to avoid any type of advertising. Here we go. 40,000 in-game currency. Didn't even get it. Oh my god, I hit the button to watch an ad. Like, I thought I could spin again. Nope, I have to watch the ad. Alright, we're going again. We're spinning again, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. $5. Big win there. I can keep just watching ads non-stop, by the way. Literally, just keep spinning at the frickin' pokey machine or the slot machine, everyone. That's hilarious, bro. No, I don't want to claim more. Oh, I have to claim more. Okay, as long as it doesn't spit an ad in my face, that's all I care about. Times 3. Million. Okay, just got 1 million in-game currency then. Get 50,000 currency. Let's keep rolling here. Man, it just breaks my heart how these apps still are running rampant on the Play Store, everyone. I mean, what do we do at this point? Like, how do we get Google to do anything? I don't think we can. Honestly, like, I think we're screwed. I honestly don't think we can get Google to do anything. I think that people are just going to have to get smarter with the way they install apps and what they trust, because at the end of the day, everyone, these app developers, just got an ad anyway. There we go. It's starting already. Toss them. What's this? Oh my.
I'm talking $2 million a week.
$2 million a week. This ad again, bro. They're reusing the same ads. What is this? This is Lucky Toss 3D, isn't it? Toss them all. Oh my lord, there's another app out there. Toss them all. I gotta get onto it. Gotta get onto it, man. I have to. Oh wow, everyone. This makes me very excited. I want to see another app. Yes. We dealt with Lucky Toss 3D last time. Now we're dealing with Toss It All in the next video, okay? Okay, $1.50. Another ad. You're joking me. Oh wow. Oh wow, wow, wow. We went from no ads to now literally getting ads all the time. There has to be a timer on this app or something that triggers when you get to a certain point. I can't even skip this ad either. Oh, Google. Really, man? Alright. Skip that ad then, somehow. I have to sit through it. Literally, sorry, I couldn't skip out to sit through it. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable, dude. And the funniest thing is now, once we run out of dice rolls, we're going to get one roll, looks like, per 10 minutes or so. See how it says next rolling at 9 minutes? I'm really curious to see how many minutes we have to wait to get a dice. Surely it's not 15 minutes. It can't be. Get a Amazon gift card. Watch an ad. Get off my screen. Seriously. Coindozer Master. These apps still exist. Unbelievable. Nice. Doing alright actually right now. We're just grinding through. Just trying to make as much money as I possibly can. I'm just trying to avoid getting the ads, but I keep getting the ads no matter what I do. What's the Poke Machine going to give us? Here we go. $5 everyone. Nice. We just got $5 ladies and gentlemen. Now up to $28. Beautiful. Okay, we land on nothing. No thanks. Keep rolling. 5. Nothing. Really wants us to watch those ads. I refuse to watch the ads though. I can't do it. I just cannot do it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not happy with it. I cannot subject you guys to ads. I don't want to see ads. No one wants to see ads, okay? It's that simple. It's just one of those circumstances though where I have to make these videos to make sure you guys understand these apps are not real. Throughout my videos I put up real life player reviews. I think it's hilarious. Just get an ad anyway. Okay, so I think sit through that pathetic ad then. Thank you very much for that app. I really appreciate it. I really, really do. And look, it looks like a new map we got here. What do you think of a game? 1 star. Feedback. That's nice. I don't know what it's trying to get me to do then. Hopefully that app review went through. It's a bad app. Constantly trying to get me to watch the ads, man. Now, what money we got here? $1.50. Thank you very much, app. I appreciate it. I really do. Another $1.50. Let's keep rolling. Keep rolling that dice, baby. Now, don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong with, like, dice apps. In the sense of if they didn't have real life money, I wouldn't have a problem, okay? So you just have to remember that, everyone. I mean, my job is just to post videos that should be common knowledge anyway. This is not hard what I'm doing. Anyone can do what I'm doing right now. You just have to avoid scam apps. The scam apps are so obvious to see. I have to make sure you guys understand it, okay? Like, I have to make sure I do my part just in case you've been tricked. Which a lot of people have been tricked. As I said, it's not a bad looking app. Oh my god. Look at these app ads, dude. It's just so painful. I've reviewed all these scam apps on my channel already, by the way. Which is hilarious to me. $275. Lucky Plinko Pusher. I want to get back onto that app, I reckon. I'm going to do it. Lucky Plinko Pusher. We'll jump back on that app eventually. One day you'll be seeing me cover all these scam apps again, guys, okay? You really, really will be. 60 cents, $5. No thanks. I never want to see that again. Okay, well, I think we're pretty much done here, dude. This is the most boringest app. This is so bad. Oh, this makes me so sad that this is taking off the way it is. Something needs to be done about apps that trick you guys into watching advertisements, because that's all this is. This app is just built on making sure you guys watch ads. You're never going to get that money. I can watch a video and get 5 dice. Dude, do you know how many videos you're going to be watching throughout your life on this app? Holy hell. Alright, I'm getting off Magic Dice. I'm done. It's a scam app, guys. Read the reviews. Be smart. Stay safe, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Catch you later.